Welcome back to Penang Family Channel. Hi friends, how are you friends? Okay friends, today this video I would like to share how I made my own sari blouse in one day actually. So I just want to share how I did it. So in this video it's all about that. Yes friends, before we enter into today's video, if you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe to Penang Family Channel. So many of you wondering, is it possible to DIY your sari blouse? Yes friends, actually it's possible. That's why I like to share this video with you. Okay, whatever reason that you will have, but the reason that I have friends, making sari blouse in Penang nowadays, it's so pricey. It at least 45 to 50 for a simple sari blouse, and if it's a designer blouse it'll go up to 100 to 150. So how much it costs in your state or country friends? Please leave the comment below. So somehow this time I decided to make my own sari blouse. Before that, a quick disclaimer friend, I am not a professional tailor. I never learned stitching. It is only my hobby, so which I catered from my late grandmother. Her name is Rajama. Actually proud to mention her name here. Okay, because of her I picked up my stitching hobby. So for stitching I just mostly will stitch my children clothes, and then for me so simple dress and things like that. But this time I decided to make my own sari blouse. Yes, now I learn from books, and now with our YouTube friends there are plenty of class and tutorial, so why not? So this blouse I followed, just now you saw I followed one of the YouTuber stitching channel from India. So it is a princess cut that I'm going to use. So usually as a homemaker, so after children go to school, these are the time in the morning. So while I'm cooking, I'm trying to do the stitching, cutting first, then later in the afternoon I'll stitch. So it is a princess cut, and yes, because since it's my first sari blouse friends, I thought maybe I will just do my a sari blouse without a sleeve. So okay, although I have big arms, so I'm not worried about it. So what we are. So in this video I just want to show it is doable. So now I already finished cutting, and then now I'm clearing up, and then after this I'll go to my sewing machine later in the afternoon. Okay, now in the afternoon I start stitching, and then friends, you need a sewing machine obviously, and of course you need a simple basic sewing. Mainly you must have a passion for stitching, and if you know basic simple stitching, then once you follow the YouTube class and tutorials, it is easy actually. It's very step by step actually friends. So this is my final. I'm already fixing my shoulder, so you can see the final result. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like and share, and please leave some comments, and it will be very much appreciated. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching till the end, and you can see the end results. Ta-da! We were in a wedding, so not bad for a first timer, first sari blouse. So friends, thank you so much for watching. Till I meet y'all again in another video. Bye.